Hey everyone, welcome to our 7th day of our 12-day Christmas series. We're almost at the end. We only have a few days left, and then of course on the 12th day, we will be talking about the requirements and as well as the rules on how to apply for the giveaway. So let's jump right into day 7. We are creating something that's quick, easy, and beautifully fun for the kids. This can be for your students, or this can be for all the kids of the family on Christmas Day. So as you can see here, we have some really pretty Peeps. They're green, red, and white. These are holiday vanilla Peeps, and we're going to stuff them in each of these popcorn bags. We're also going to stuff in each of these bags these Nerds holiday candy canes. These candy canes are a little bit sour, and they taste good, and they come in many flavors. Your students will love them. Now here you will see me choose some sparkling silver ribbon that we're going to tie each bag off. Now at the end, we will curl the ribbon with our scissors, just like we used to do back in the day. So we're going to set this one on the side, and we're going to go ahead and finish off the rest. Now, if you do not have students to give these treats to, you can also make them as stocking stuffers. These are great and perfect size for any Christmas stocking. Now, as I mentioned, the Nerds candy canes actually come in many flavors. The first flavor, which will be the pink and blue, is actually Totally Tropical Punch and Road Rash Raspberry. That sounds so good. The second candy cane, which you see in my hand, which is pink and green, is called Watermelon So Very Cherry. And the third candy cane, which will be pink and purple, is actually Gotta Have Grape, Seriously Strawberry. I mean, these are seriously yummy. Now let's go ahead and grab our sparkling silver ribbon. This ribbon is so gorgeous, and it adds that extra sparkle for Christmas. So let's grab our scissors and let's start curling the rest of the bags. Now they're all done. They look cute. You can rest them in any tray, and the kids can grab as they come in the classroom or leave the classroom, or you can have them out for Christmas dinner around the table. Either way, they are beautiful, they are gorgeous, and they bring out the Christmas fun. I will see you tomorrow. It is the 8th day of our 12-day series.